So let me tell you about how I make $20 a day on Freecash without spending a dime. Honestly, finding a way to earn extra money that's both fun and free felt impossible until I discovered Freecash.com. It's been a total game changer for me. With tasks like testing apps, trying out games, and even watching videos, I've turned my free time into a steady stream of income. Alright, let's start with what Freecash actually is. Freecash.com is a platform where you complete simple online tasks to earn points. These points can then be redeemed for real rewards like gift cards, PayPal Cash, or even cryptocurrency. What makes it stand out is how straightforward and flexible it is. Freecash works for everyone, whether you're a complete beginner or someone who's been looking for an easy way to make money online. Plus, their low payout threshold, just 50 cents worth of points, means you can cash out almost immediately. So here's how I make $20 a day on Freecash without spending a penny. My first go-to is testing apps and games. These tasks pay really well, and honestly they're fun. For example, one game trial might earn you a few dollars in just 10 minutes. It's quick, it's easy, and it doesn't feel like work. Another method I rely on is watching videos. It's such an effortless way to earn while doing other things. I'll have videos running in the background while I'm working or even relaxing. The points add up without much effort. Freecash also has a referral program that makes earning even easier. By sharing my referral link with friends or family, I earn a percentage of what they make on the platform. It's passive income at its best and grows over time as more people join. Lastly, I take advantage of Freecash's Leaderboard System. The platform rewards the most active users every day with bonus points, which can be a nice little boost to my total. It's just another way Freecash keeps things exciting and rewarding. Now let's talk about the rewards. Freecash allows you to redeem your points for a variety of options, including gift cards for Amazon or Google Play, PayPal Cash, and even Bitcoin. What I love most is how fast the payouts are. Most rewards are processed instantly, so you don't have to wait around to enjoy the money you've earned. The flexibility here is amazing. Whether I want to grab a gift card for something I need, or top up my PayPal balance, Freecash makes it super simple. So, why do I keep coming back to Freecash? First, the variety of tasks makes it far more engaging than other platforms. One day I'm testing a new app, the next I'm playing a game or watching videos. It never gets boring. Second, the instant payouts are a game changer. There's nothing more satisfying than cashing out your points and having the money or gift card ready to use within minutes. Finally, Freecash feels rewarding without being overly complicated. It's easy to navigate, the tasks are enjoyable, and there's always something new to try. Getting started on Freecash is simple. Use the link in the description or pinned comment to sign up and unlock exclusive bonuses as a new user. Once you're in, you'll find a range of tasks to choose from. I recommend starting with app testing or game trials. These are fun and tend to pay the most. Then you can branch out into other tasks like watching videos or completing surveys. The more consistent you are, the faster you'll see results. So that's how I make $20 a day on Freecash without spending a dime. It's a fun, easy, and completely free way to earn money online. Whether you're looking for extra spending money or saving up for something special, Freecash has you covered. Ready to give it a try? Use the link in the description or pinned comment to sign up today. You could be cashing out your first gift card or PayPal reward in no time. Trust me, it's worth checking out.